For this bad economy, still they get the bad character. Make them post to go Taraba, make them use to do shawarma.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Uzawuru Deborah Chidera and I am a fashion designer based in Lagos, Nigeria. So by the thumbnail, you already know what we're about to do here. We're going to be recreating a dress, an POLLY dress. I don't know, for some weird reason, I'm just excited about recreating this dress. So basically what this video is going to be all about is carrying you through the process of me making this dress. It's not a tutorial video. It's not a tutorial. It's just a process video. So if you have some experience in sewing or in fashion design, I feel like you will flow more throughout this video. But if you don't, I don't know, I'll try as much as possible to still make the video interesting to people that are not into fashion designing, just in case you're not into fashion design. So yeah, that out of the way, let me show you guys the fabric and a little backstory. Yeah, let me tell you guys how this whole thing just came about. Okay, yeah, so I was scrolling on the streets of TikTok, right, and I came across this video. The video was just captivating. It captivated my soul, and as I was watching this video, it just hit me that wait, I have a similar fabric to the one in this video. So I was like, how about I just recreate this whole outfit? Like, I have to recreate this dress. So let me show you guys the fabric. This is what the fabric looks like, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but I saw that this fabric looks almost like the one that is on the screen right now. Hence my decision to try and recreate this dress. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get right into this video because time is of the essence. So one thing I like to do before I recreate a dress is to break the dress apart. I take a look at the picture and I see where lines are, basically just sectioning the dress into pieces depending on how it was made. So this particular dress, from my observation, it's a paneled dress. I think it's paneled into 6 parts, so I'm just going to draw all that on my sketch pad.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still. So the next thing after sketching is to cut the main fabric. I know you're gonna be like, what? You're not going to draft a pattern before you cut on the main fabric. Yes, on the main fabric, because I'm a freehand warrior. I do not use patterns normally. For me, using patterns just depends. It just depends on my mood, you know. For this particular outfit, I just don't feel like doing any pattern drafting, even though I've not made this type of dress before. I just feel like I'm gonna kill it, you know. So I just finished cutting one of the pieces of the front, the center piece. I'm just going to go off camera and cut the rest, and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm done, and this is what the front looks like. The 3 pieces of the front. Yeah, take it in, and this is what the back is looking like. Go, go, go. So for the inner part of this dress, I'm going to be using a doll face satin material. The fabric is made up of net and just that flowery stuff on the surface. So something has to be under because the fabric is see-through. So this is just me checking whether it's the right shade, and I think it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my doll face satin for each piece of this dress. So after this, I'm just going to set up my sewing machine so that I can secure the doll face to the actual fabric. Go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go insane. Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that. When there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. So this is gum stay. I will be using it for the upper front of this dress, from the bust area to the shoulder. So what I'm trying to do here is to pin the fabric on the gum stay so that it doesn't move while I'm cutting the gum stay out.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
So for those of us that are fashion designers, we know that when we're attaching the gum stay to the main fabric, we don't iron, we press. So I said, let me dance more while I'm waiting for my gum stay to get hot and gum on the material. In fact, better still, let me perform for you people.
No drop me for where I no want see Fatima control. For this bad economy, you still they get it bad character. Make them post you go taraba, make them use do shawarma. Omo tenant kilo party where they play. Life you know easy, omo they play. Apology for waiting I say, they play. Apology for waiting you say, don't play, or you will learn. Now me they collect the money, now you they spend. Hey. Oh my dear, you girl is law. Give me someone. That wasn't me. I don't know what you saw, but that wasn't me. Yeah. So guys, this is the center front. I just finished putting gum stay on the center front, and this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to go over to my machine and join the 3 pieces of the front together, and I'll be right back. So I just joined one part of the breast and I want to check it out for the first time, and I want to do it on camera so we can both see it together. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Just one side of the breast cup. Let's see. Oh my god, guys, it's coming together. Like play, our dress is coming together. So I'll just go and join the other breast cup and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like.
So this is what it looks like after joining, and as you can see, I have already turned the neck and the armhole area with lining. These are the shoulder straps for the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other strap with a 1/2 inch elastic band. After that, I'm going to fix it to the shoulders of the front part of this dress. After fixing, this is what it's looking like. So I noticed that the lining was coming out from underneath, so I'm going to be using my hemming gum to fix that. I'm also going to use hemming gum for the armhole area as well. So I've joined the 3 pieces of the back, and I've also cut these out so I can make the ropes and the loops for the V part of the back. And also this is the lining I'll be using to turn the upper part of the back after I'm done.
Even when you feel low, you can still.
So this is what it's looking like.
You can still go. I never answer to no, man.
This is the front and this is the back. So let me try it on.
Go, yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
So the next thing is to join both sides together and fix the zip. I know you guys have been wondering, how am I going to get into this dress by the time I join both sides together? So I'm going to be using this as a side zip. This zip. It's going to be at the side. I'm just going to do all that and I'll be back to show you guys the final fit. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Hey guys, so for the final reveal of this dress, drum roll please.
This is me editing this video and noticing that the lighting is not going well with this dress, but not to worry, later on in this video I'm going to take myself outside so that you guys can see the dress with natural light.
I hope people can see the... I don't know if the lighting is bad.
When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter.
If you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. Pictures of this outfit are on my Instagram at @DaraTheBee. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. I really do hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!